Hey Stampin' friends, welcome to the Joyous Stamping with Rachel. I'm Rachel Coon and it's our Fun Fold Friday. Today I have a special treat for you as I'm showing you 11 different Fun Fold ideas that I recently got from a Fun Fold swap with the Queens of the Stamp Age. After I show you these cards, I would love to hear which cards are your favorites and then pick and tell me, and maybe I can make them in a future Fun Fold Friday. Go into Hold I Flip and we'll get started. All right, see everything okay? I would love to hear your comments in the description below or comments in on YouTube as well. You guys have 24 hours, so between, well, till midnight I should say, in order to comment and let me know your favorites. I will send one card to one happy watcher who leaves me a nice comment. If you are looking for any of these products that are in the cards I show you today, please visit my online store and use a hostess code for November. All right, let me show you these cards. I'm going to start with the everything category, and then I'll work over into Christmas. So I had divided into two different ones. And the great things about Fun Folds is that you just can't take a picture of them because usually you have to open them up and see them move. And so that's why I love showing these with a video. All right. The first one, her name is Maurice Poppleton, and she made this beautiful card here with the Celebrate Sunflowers and the sunflower dies. I love this belly band she's created where it looks like she's made this fake button almost using the rhinestones, and she's made it with the clear embossing it looks like, and she's popped it up on dimensional. Beautifully done, just already from the front. Then the belly band we're going to slide up because we slide it down, it'll take out our cute little message here. I'll remove that part, and then it's going to be a gatefold and it's going to open up. Let me show you. Oh my goodness, watch, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So she's die cut her designer series paper to create this pop out look. And then we have a little spot on the center here. Let me show you from a top view so you kind of see how crazy and awesome that is. Folds completely. It does open up and will go flat for the most part. It has a little bit of bend that way. But yeah, it's super cute. Love, love this one. This is definitely a little bit of a thicker card and probably need extra postage if we send that in the mail. Beautiful. The next one's made by Linda Day, and she used the cute squirrel one. That's the Nuts About Squirrels stamp set, and what hers is really simple, but it has a designer series paper behind it, our cute little designer series paper right here for our squirrel, some leaf layering, and then it opens up like at the halfway point, and so we can see the inside there. I just love this one. Super cute and playful, and a happy birthday. This is a great fall birthday card. All right, the next one is made by Rhonda, and she made this mini card. Let me show you. It's a type of easel using the Splendid Day bundle. She's used some Wink of Stella on her stems here to create this beautifulness. She has embossed it with the black. So let me get a little closer and see. It's a richer, nicer outline. You can almost see that it's outline versus just ink, which is gorgeous. And then for this one, like I said, it's mini, fits in my palm of my hand. I'm going to go ahead and move this part up, and it turns into an easel card. It can sit flat on your desktop. She says, sending hugs for the inside. So fun card there. This one is a Halloween one made by Christy Hamilton. Think about not the card itself, well, the stamp set itself, because Halloween is over. But look at how awesome this fun fold is. All right, so we have our front cover, which is just beautifully sparkly with the haunted house there. She's a scary, cute stamp set and dies. The sweet is actually from something else. I can't remember. That one has like cherries with it. So that's a fun one she added with this one. She uses this beautiful ribbon that's almost more like mesh. There, silver mesh. All right, let me go ahead and open this up. It is going to be crazy. So hold on. Okay. And there we go. Oh, look how cool that is. I'm going to turn it so you can kind of see. There we go. That we have this little pop-up scene. So she has 4 different images that are on these stairs, I would call it. And then some stamping on there as well. She's used the washi tape to kind of cover up her ends of where the paper meets the paper. Just so So beautifully done. And look at those cute little images. Trick or treat, you're so sweet, and boom. Great, great card there. And it folds down. Again, this one's a little bit thicker, so it might take a little bit more postage to send that one. All right, this one is made by Lori Webb, and she's always a very talented stamper, and I'm just in love with this card here. So it's kind of like a story card. It says this little piggy says happy birthday, and has this cute little scooter, says happy birthday. We open it once, and inside we see a cute little birthday banner starting to unfold. We open it again, and it says, go to your happy place and stay there all day. Only then to open it one more time to see our cute little pig eating the cake and a spot to write our sweet little message there. So this one's super fun, and it's kind of like a accordion of photos here, all in that one little spot. Love that one. Okay, our next one uses the Gnome Storybook Designer Series paper. It has a belly band right here, which she's used her DSP over it. She's fussy cut the cute little tree and mushrooms. There's no stamping here on the front of this card. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see all the Designer Series paper right there. So we have our belly band. We're gonna slide that off, and then we're gonna open it up and show you this really cute scene inside. It says warm wishes, and it has it so our little gnome is hidden inside with this little mushroom, and it pops right out. Let me show you this way. So it's just created like a little box here, almost like a diagram, and then it closes and opens when we open up these little tabs here. How cool is that? Love that one. Our next one uses just Designer Series paper and is Norma Mergenhagen. She's fussy cut the flower from the Happiness Hues Designer Series paper, and then this piece right here is actually all Designer Series paper. So we flip it over, you can kind of see how that is in half. She has a score line here, and then we can pull this tab out here, and then she has a spot on the inside for us to write our nice little message. Super pretty easy, and it's a great way to use our Designer Series paper in creative ways. Okay, our next couple ones are all Christmas cards. Let me go over these ones. This one's made by Natalie Wolm. She used the Spruce Up stamp set for these cute little trees here. I'm not sure they have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I'll have to look and see which stamp set she used for that one. And then this one opens up like this. So it has these extra little slits right here on the card front and a piece of basic white. So that way it can also stand up on the desktop there. Super, super cute card. This is a great one to send to someone who's going to put it on their mantle and really, really appreciate this card. Great job, Natalie. This one's made by Michelle Stamping Angel, and she's used this cute little bird here. I love her coloring, and I love that embossing folder she used behind it. She's also used some of the snowfall puff paint. I always say that wrong, yeah. Right here on the branch to create a little extra texture there. The great use of Designer Series paper and those wonderful snowflakes right there. Then we're going to go ahead and open this one up, and it shows another message. Says your kindness warms my heart. And then we open it again to reveal a whole nother scene here. So Designer Series paper. She has another little saying, wishing you abundant joy and peace, a spot to write our little note, Designer Series paper behind, and I really am loving this speckle effect right here. She's gold embossed on that spot, and it just really ties in all of it together. So it's not any empty space right there, but it's very well put together. I love this one. And my last one to show you is made by Candace Anderson. She's used a Sweet Candy Canes bundle and the Designer Series paper. So she has the Merry and Bright on the front that's just clustered beautifully together. Make it closer. She is really good about piecing everything and all the cards she ever makes. She just has a great eye for knowing where things should go and not be too much, but just enough. So great layering here with her candy canes and her sponging around her Merry and Bright. She's using that pool party. Let me go ahead and open it up. So it opens up this way, and then we have this extra little gate piece here, and then we have our another ingredient in the inside. May the good times of today become the cherished memories of tomorrow. So this is just a beautiful, beautiful card. I love that, how that turned out. And these candy canes are die cut from that design series paper. So you're like, how can I get those 2 colors and 1 cane? That is how. Use the dies and just cut them out. All right, let me go ahead and get all these cards back in view and give you a couple minutes. Well, you can watch this and fast forward as needed to tell me which one is your favorite. Which one would you love to learn how to make? Or was there a certain stamp set that you are just in awe of? You're all really, really fabulous, so it's hard to pick. So you can have more than one favorite. Just tell me that it's all, and I will take note and add them to my list of cards I want to show you how to make for our future fun folds. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday and a happy Veterans Day to hear it in all of our friends in America. Happy stamping, everyone. Goodbye.